Buddhism, there is a concept known as karma, which can shed light on the question of why bad things may happen to seemingly good people. Karma refers to the law of cause and effect, stating that our actions, intentions, and thoughts have consequences that shape our future experiences. According to Buddhist teachings, individuals accumulate karma through their actions, both positive and negative. Good actions generate positive karma, while harmful or unwholesome actions create negative karma. These karmic imprints influence our circumstances and experiences in this life or future lives. In a Buddhist story, there is a tale of a person who experiences unfortunate events despite leading a virtuous life. This story aims to emphasize several important points. Complexity of karma. Karma is highly intricate and influenced by numerous factors. Our present circumstances may result from a combination of past actions from this or previous lifetimes. The consequences of our actions might not be immediately evident, and the effects of past karma can manifest at unexpected times. 2. Limited perspective. Our human perspective is limited, and we may not fully comprehend the reasons behind certain events. What appears to be a bad experience from a limited viewpoint may hold valuable lessons or serve as an opportunity for growth and transformation. 3. Impermanence and change. Buddhist teachings emphasize the impermanent and ever-changing nature of life. Good and bad experiences come and go, and our reactions and responses to these experiences shape our spiritual journey. Adversity can foster resilience, compassion, and wisdom, even for those who consider themselves good people. It's important to note that Buddhism doesn't propose a simplistic view of good and bad or a deterministic approach to karma. It encourages individuals to cultivate mindfulness, compassion, and ethical behavior, understanding that these qualities contribute to the overall well-being of oneself and others. Ultimately, Buddhism teaches that the path to liberation involves accepting the imperfections and uncertainties of life, developing inner virtues, and cultivating wisdom to transcend suffering.